What's going on, beautiful people? Russell Clemens here, and you might have noticed I don't got anything up there because we're talking about this thing today. Okay, here we go. Welcome back. This is the YN360 or YN360. So it's just this fun little doohickey thing. You can change colors. So if you look here, you can change the colors via this way by doing it's RGB, right? So you can just change it how you want it. The big button turns it off. And then if you want like normal light, then you can have like a normal light. You know, if you don't want color. And that's just by clicking on the 3200 or 5200, and then you can change it. If it's fine or a coarse light, it's all that stuff. But we're using it for the colors today. All them colors, all the colors. So bonus tip is that there's an app. You can use an app with it, which is pretty great. I like the app. And you know, it's I can change, look at this. No. Like, woo! I'm changing the colors, Mom. Look at me. So there's an app that you can get. I'll put a link in the description below. It's not like a thing you can get on the App Store. It's like a third-party thing, but I've never had an issue with it. So if you want to use it, go for it. Download it at your own risk. I did. Never had an issue. Also, it's important to note that if you want to turn it on, there's this little, hold up, can you even see? I don't freaking know. There's a little power button here and it turns it on and off. If you turn it on, then it will activate the Bluetooth thing that's on the back of this thing, and that's how you can connect it. So it's not too bad, it's not too shabby. So we're gonna do some light painting with this. Okay? So let's get out there. Let's go. Vamos! Hello. This is Heather again.
Hello.
We've seen her before. We're going to do stuff with the red light. This fun thing that changes colors. See, she's mesmerized. Okay, here we go. Went down, turned off light. Heather stepped over. Started from the bottom, went up, and done. Started on red at 10, went down, stepped out of frame, while Heather moved over, brought blue all the way up to 99, then started from the bottom, and went up, and that was it. So those are just some tips and tricks on how to use the YN360. Pretty great, like a mini lightsaber, as some might say. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Great, now I can tell you live your life. If you want a notification bell, dozo, go for it. And I hope to see your beautiful faces in the next video. Okay, bye.